Is it time to buy or sell Microsoft stock? In this video, we will explore Microsoft in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Tuesday, the 3rd of September, 2024, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay informed on our latest analyses. You don't want to miss any important updates that could affect your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one of 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be regarded as financial advice. Since the third day of September in the year 2024, our system has identified Microsoft as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of -1.86. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. We will continue to monitor this assessment to observe how it develops in the coming days. The stock currently sits in the midst of a broad and declining trend in the short term, indicating that further decreases are likely within this pattern. The trend observed over the past 3 months indicates a potential decrease of approximately 8.28% over the next 3 months, with possible returns ranging from a decrease of 14.35% to a decrease of 1.15%. Looking at the 12-month trend, it suggests an increase of 30.89% over the coming year, with potential returns ranging from 29.26% to 55.49%. This would translate to a price range between $529.22 to $636.62 after a year. Our latest daily update for Microsoft includes the headline, "Weaker technical forecast for Microsoft as stock downgraded to sell candidate." On the last trading day, the price of Microsoft stock declined by 1.85%, moving from $417.14 to $409.44. Throughout the day, the stock experienced fluctuations of 3.16%, with a low of $407.03 and a high of $419.88. Over the past 2 weeks, the stock has seen a loss of 2.87%. Interestingly, the trading volume decreased alongside the stock price, which is generally seen as a positive sign since volume should align with price movements. On the last day, trading volume fell by 3 million shares, with a total of 20 million shares exchanged, amounting to approximately $8.1 billion. Looking back over the past 52 weeks, the stock reached a peak price of $468.35 and a low of $309.45. Currently, the stock price is 12.58%, or $58.91, below the 52-week high of $468.35, which also stands as the all-time high for the stock. Microsoft's recent performance indicates a mixed landscape as it navigates opportunities in the technology sector. The company's relative strength index sits at 49, reflecting a neutral stance that suggests potential for a bullish turnaround. Investments in cloud and artificial intelligence, including critical partnerships, are expected to propel long-term growth, with Azure's revenue climbing at an impressive 29% annually. However, challenges remain as the gross margin has slightly decreased, primarily due to rising costs linked to artificial intelligence infrastructure and shifting sales towards Azure, which could impact short-term profitability and stock sentiment. Additionally, concerns have emerged regarding consumer data security in video game transactions, potentially affecting customer trust and causing volatility in Microsoft's gaming segment. New offerings, such as advanced artificial intelligence acceleration services for Microsoft 365, also signal a strategic push into the generative artificial intelligence space, which could establish a competitive edge and enhance revenue generation in the future. As Microsoft scales its artificial intelligence investments and adapts to market demands, the balance between growth potential and cost management will be crucial. Therefore, while the stock may experience fluctuations in the near term due to these factors, the foundation for long-lasting growth remains, positioning Microsoft as a compelling player in the technology landscape. Analyst ratings. On Wednesday, the 28th of August, 2024, it was reported that KeyBank assigned Microsoft a grade of overweight along with a hold recommendation. On Tuesday, the 27th of August, 2024, Wolfe Research also rated Microsoft as outperform with a hold recommendation. On Friday, the 16th of August, 2024, BMO Capital provided an outperform rating for Microsoft, maintaining a hold action. On Wednesday, the 31st of July, 2024, Goldman Sachs rated Microsoft as a buy while suggesting a hold action. On the same day, Oppenheimer also gave Microsoft an outperform rating paired with a hold recommendation. Analysts have assigned a general neutral rating to Microsoft stock. They have classified the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell as well. However, for return on investment, analysts have given the stock a strong buy rating. The following signals have been identified for Microsoft. Currently, there are mixed signals regarding the stock. The Microsoft stock is showing sell signals from both short and long-term moving averages, which presents a more negative outlook. Additionally, there is a general sell signal indicated by the relationship between these two averages, where the long-term average is positioned above the short-term average. Should there be upward corrections, resistance is expected at levels 413.50 and 419.54. A breakout above either of these levels would trigger buy signals. Notably, trading volume decreased alongside the price during the last trading day, which mitigates overall risk as volume typically aligns with price movements. A buy signal emerged from a pivot bottom point on Monday, August 5th, 2024, and thus far, the stock has increased by 3.62%. Further gains are anticipated until a new top pivot point is established. Additionally, a buy signal has been noted from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. Here are some additional signals that may capture your interest. The moving average convergence divergence indicates a buy signal. Pivots showed a buy signal 21 days ago. The Bollinger Bands also indicated a buy signal 21 days ago. The short-term moving average has presented a buy signal 3 days ago. Conversely, the long-term moving average issued a sell signal 34 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages revealed a buy signal 31 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we observe the short moving average issued a sell signal 2 days ago. The long-term moving average provided a buy signal 27 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicated a buy signal 18 days ago. For further signals, be sure to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for Microsoft. Microsoft finds support from accumulated volume at $408.49. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction is likely when the support is tested. This stock is typically traded at a healthy volume, and with minor daily fluctuations, the risk is considered to be low. During the last day, the stock fluctuated by $12.85, which is 3.16% between its high and low. Over the past week, the stock has experienced an average daily volatility of 2.02%. Before we dive into the possible good trading levels for Microsoft, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This crucial ratio measures a company's current share price relative to its per-share earnings. This is a relatively normal PE ratio, often seen in businesses with long track records or predictable revenues. In other news, the next earnings report for the third quarter of 2024 is expected on the 22nd of October, 2024. Analysts' consensus estimates are at $3.09. Keep an eye on these numbers as they can greatly impact stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Microsoft. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Microsoft is at $418.35. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those who already hold the stock, this could be a strategic point to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Microsoft encounters its first support level at $408.49. If this support level remains intact, it could present a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Microsoft from various analyst sources remains neutral. Now let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 23rd of August, 2024, Nadella Satya executed an insider sale of 7,199 shares of common stock. On the 15th of July, 2024, Jala Alice L. sold 177,469 shares of common stock. On the 7th of June, 2024, Walmsley Emma N. purchased 234 shares of restricted stock units. On the 13th of June, 2024, Rodriguez Carlos A. acquired 5,369 shares of restricted stock units. On the 13th of June, 2024, Pritzker Penny S. bought 20,894 shares of restricted stock units. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we find that the insider power indicates a negative sentiment with a ratio of negative 84.920. In total, insiders purchased 14,177 shares and sold 210,336 shares in these last 100 trades. Our assessment of this stock is unfavorable, and there is currently no stop loss established. Is Microsoft stock a good buy? Currently, Microsoft shows several negative indicators, leading us to believe that its performance will remain weak in the coming days or weeks. As a result, we have adopted a negative outlook on this stock. Given some minor weaknesses in the technical analysis, we have revised our evaluation from a hold or accumulate recommendation to a sell candidate. After reviewing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Wednesday, the 4th of September, we anticipate Microsoft will open down by $2.68, starting at $412.12. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money and that you should consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. Your investment decisions should not be based solely on information from StockInvest.us. By using this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us here at Stock Invest.